Today I'm going to show you how to check if your X, formerly known as Twitter, account is shadowbanned using a very simple manual method. This is a quick way to see whether your posts are still visible in search and whether your account is showing up the way it should. If you've been worried that your reach dropped or your posts are not appearing properly, this check can help give you a clear answer. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and make sure you are logged into the account you want to check. You can do this on mobile or on desktop, but for the easiest method, use the search bar at the top of the page. The goal here is to manually search your own username and see whether your most recent posts appear in the results. Now, type your exact username into the search bar. Make sure you search it the way people would normally find you. If your username is something like @yourname, search that exact handle. Once the results load, look carefully at what appears. You want to check whether your latest posts are showing up in the search results. If you can see your most recent posts appearing normally, that is a good sign that you are not shadowbanned. It means X is still indexing and displaying your content in a way that users can find it. In most cases, if your latest post shows up when you search your username, your account is not being hidden from search. If your posts do not appear, or if only very old content shows up, that could be a possible sign that something is wrong with your visibility. It does not always mean a shadow ban for sure, but it can be a warning sign that your reach or search presence is limited. That is why this check is useful as a first step. To make the test more accurate, scroll through the search results and compare what you see with your actual recent posts. If your newest post is public and active on your profile, but it is missing from search, that is something you should pay attention to. On the other hand, if the newest post is visible right away, that usually means you are in the clear. You can also repeat the same check by searching from a second account or by logging out and searching your username again. This helps you see whether the results are consistent. Sometimes search behavior can vary, so testing once more can give you a better idea of what is happening. Remember, the main thing you are looking for is whether the latest posts are showing when you search your username. If they are, you are most likely not shadowbanned. If they are missing, then you may want to review your account activity, recent posts, and any platform rules that could affect visibility. So to recap, open X, use the search bar, type your username and check whether your latest posts appear in the results. That is the simplest manual way to check for a possible shadow ban on X or Twitter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.